Hello everyone. 여러분 안녕하세요. I'm Korean Uncle Jay. 저는 코리안 엉클 제이입니다. In today's class, we will make a sentence using the vocabulary learned in chapters 1 and 3. Today we will learn how to ask and answer someone's age. Can we tell someone my age? Okay, let's get started.
How old are you?
몇 살이에요?
언니 내년에 몇 살이에요?
아, 몇 살이에요? 몇 살이냐고.
17살이에요.
나이는요? 정확히 몇 살이에요?
939살.
올해 연세가
연세요? 37입니다. 나이가
48이에요.
Did you enjoy the video? This video is taken from Korean dramas and entertainment programs. As you can see, in this video, you should use the right words depending on who you are talking to. Now, we will study them one by one. We can ask the other person's age in Korean like this.
지수 씨는 몇 살이에요?
지수 씨는 몇 살이에요? 지수, how old are you? So, let's look at each sentence one by one. 지수 is a name. She, Mr., Miss, Mrs. As you can see, this is a polite expression to the other person. It is used after the name. 는, subject marker. 는 is used because C doesn't have a final consonant. You can omit the subject part if you know who you are talking to. Because in Korean, the meaning is the same even if you omit the subject part. 몇 is a numeral. It is used when asking or answering a quantity, such as a thing or person. 살, it means years of age. 이에요, predicate marker. So, what would be a more polite expression?
나이가 어떻게 되세요?
나이가 어떻게 되세요? This sentence can be used when meeting someone for the first time and can be used in formal situations. 나이, age. 가, subject marker. 어떻게, it means how as an adverb. 되세요, it means am is are as a verb. You can change 세요 to 다 in 되다. Originally, 되다 is a basic form verb, but it becomes a verb by adding 세요 to 돼. So, what about analogies?
연세가 어떻게 되세요?
연세가 어떻게 되세요? You can replace 나이 with 연세. It is mainly used for older adults. So, how do you answer your age?
저는 28이에요.
저는 28이에요. I am 28 years old. So, let's look at each sentence one by one. 저, I. 는, subject marker. 28. 28. 이에요, predicate marker. You can also omit the subject part because you know who you are talking to. And you can answer differently.
저는 28살이에요.
저는 28살이에요. 28, 28, 살, years of age. 이에요, predicate marker. So, how can we write this?
저는 28세예요.
저는 28세예요. 28, 28. 세, years of age. 예요, predicate marker. Koreans usually write 28세 when writing this. But there are also people who write 28살. But a natural expression for writing this would be 28세. So, what is the difference between 28 and 28? I think you probably remember. There are two types of numbers used in Korean. First, there are original native numbers. Second, there are Chinese characters numbers. 28. 28 is the original native number. 28. 28 is the Chinese characters numbers. It is also called Sino-Korean. If you are curious about how to read the numbers in Korean, please watch the video Learn Korean 9.3.
0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4.
So, how do you read the 덜 in 28? Real build in this character is called the double point consonant. It has two consonants, but only real is pronounced. Real is pronounced similar to R or L. So, how do we read this? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. But they can also change it like this. 한, 두, 세, 네. Because these four numbers can be used to count the next ones. Person, people, unit, sheet, his, hour, bottle, glass, and age. For example, how do you read this? 11살 11 has been changed to 11. The way to read Korean numbers is a bit difficult, so it takes a lot of practice and application. This is the last class for today. Next time, we will learn about our family. Then, please look forward to it. 시청해 주셔서 감사합니다. Thank you for watching. 다음에 또 만나요. Let's meet again next time. 안녕히 계세요. Bye.